Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicwave.com, making this a small video recapping the whole week, last week. So let's get it started. Just want to show you how the indexes, any index of any currency can help you in finding very, very good trades. Okay, so let's get started. This is the one I'm showing right now is Aussie index. It's very important. It had played a very big game in this week, last week. So actually, I'm tracking this from way before 17th April. You can see. So let's watch this. I said we can come down here 52.38, and we hit that target, right? And then from here we're supposed to go up again. And I said we're gonna go up to the trend line. We went. Then we're supposed to come down. We came, and then this is Elliott wave 1, 2. Then we came down all the way here. This is wave 3, so we're supposed to go up for wave 4. We went up, and then I said we're gonna come down for wave 5, which we did. The target was 48.78, and we came nicely. So once 5 waves down finishes, and I was trading Euro-USD and Euro-Aussie and Pound Aussie. Accordingly, you can go and see my on my website. Trades according to it's basically it was coming down. That means those pairs will be going to the upside, so you will see a lot of long trades, Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie on my website during these periods. But on June 4 I made a weekly chart which was this. Said we're gonna go from here, this support 48, 42, and monthly number was 48, 78 was a support. We're gonna go back to 52.05. And that is exactly what we did last week. And going up, now Aussie gets strong, and those two pairs will go down now instead of going up, right? All this time, this down, they were going up, right? But this Aussie index going up means now the Aussie will get strong, and Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie will drop. So we need to look for shorts, and that's what I did last week. This is this chart. You see, this is last Sunday. And I gave it to my subscribers, and I told them that what needs to be done: shorting Euro Aussie, Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie, and longing that Pound Yen. Okay, that I will show you later. So shorting Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie, what I did is, you can see this is according to that. The first opportunity I took short on the 5th June. There was entry as of 4th June, not 4th, I mean 2nd, and I think it was Friday. And 5th June, I recorded this 140 pip drop. And this IV system is very precise. After blue candles, the first black candle and a red candle sets up the setup, the entry point, and we make an entry, and it dropped all the way. The red candle, you keep holding. The first blue candle, let's say, next chart. Okay, see? The red candle, when you have a blue candle, you can close your short, and then again, if you have a red candle, then you can continue. For example, here, see all red, and then here comes the blue candle. Similarly, from here, it's all red, blue comes, but no red, so you don't open a long. But again, red, you continue shorting this thing. So this is how very precise system. And this is on the 7th. Entry was on the 6th, and I could hold it all the way to 48.90 and 190 pip. See, shorting. It's based on Aussie index chart I just showed you. Similarly, what happened to Pound Aussie, on the 6th, I made an entry, and you can see this one I closed around 200 pips, same entry, and then it gave a couple of more entries. This chart is 20 minutes, see here. And then it went up, it gave 2 more entries and dropped. Okay, see that from here? Continue. That's how easy it is. And I watch and I track not only Aussie index, but Euro index, Pound index, USD index. And after this, I'm going to make a USD index tracking chart. So so beautifully I'm tracking that. And it is going exactly according to my chart. Since January, I made that chart, and it is perfectly following my chart. So this is how, and a couple of other trades, for example, like USD yen short, right? And another, the pound yen, on the 7th, I found this harmonic pattern, and I said, we're going to go up. Watch this. My entry going up, 125 pip. Then second entry going up, 70 pip. And then third entry, and I don't even know how much I closed it for. I didn't record the chart. I just closed it because it was it's on the 8th, by the way, and it was a UK election, so it was dangerous. So I did it all these trades early, and after that, the end of the day, at the end of my trading on Friday, because election day, anything can happen. So you don't want to be in a risky position. So this is how I did it all week long, and this is what happened to the chart. X, A, B, C, D. I said we're gonna go back to the TL, and it went up, even hitting the TL finally, and then it dropped after the results came out in the UK election. Okay, so these are powerful analysis. This candles very precise, and this IB system is very accurate to make exact accurate entries with the help of. And this is what I teach in my webinars, which I conduct like on Wednesday and Sunday. Okay, Sunday I do the webinar. I explain everything. In 1 hour, I teach it and show the setups, the next week's setups to my subscribers, and what to do, and how to use this IB system, and which pair we're supposed to go long, which pair we're supposed to go short, everything. For Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And Wednesday evening at 4 o'clock, another webinar, which covers Thursday and Friday, what will happen, what has happened in the last 3 days, and what will happen, and if there is any new setup or anything. Okay, so when you subscribe, you get everything, all by these indicators, EAs. There's an IB EA, like see right here, Magic IB alarm. This alarm, what it does is that when this indicator is all the way down, and when the red candle, the first blue candle shows up, it will beep. That setup is ready, and all you gotta do is take the entry. Okay. So similarly, in the short setup, it does the same thing. Okay. So this is it for now. I showed you the whole week activities. There are probably a couple of more trades like this. See, pound USD on the 8th. This entry was actually on the 6th. Which I hold until 8, and before the results I closed it. And there are a few other trades which I didn't even bother making the charts. But yeah, this entry system is very accurate, precise entry. This was also an entry, but I was in the trade. I took this entry here and all the way up there for 125 pip. This one around up here, and then red candle comes in and I got out. So this is how it works. Okay, very easy. Just need to learn a little bit, and that's it. So if you like what you saw, you go on my website, subscribe, and get ready. Today's Saturday. In Saturday, Sunday, you can set up your charts. You need to set up the charts. You need quite a bit of work. You need to open 1 minute chart, drop this indicator, then all my setting. You have to put it in, and then open up offline charts. 40 minute and 40 minute, and they have their own specific settings, which I give you every single thing. You don't have to worry about anything. And if you have any problem loading the charts or anything, then someone will get in your computer through TeamViewer and set up the whole thing on your computer. Okay, the charts look like this, so you will understand what it is. Also, I give you a template for my weekly and monthly charts for monthly and weekly highs and lows. For example, this chart, you see, this is my Aussie index weekly chart. So the template for this, you will also get that, Aussie monthly and weekly, USD monthly, weekly, Euro monthly, weekly, all those charts that I have with the highs and lows marked and with the bullets. I will give you the template. So all you gotta do is you open them, Euro, for example, USD monthly chart, and drop my template, and you will have all the lines, the numbers, the bullets, everything on your computer permanently. Okay, so that will help a lot. These are the numbers. To be honest with you, look, this, it went up all the way high to where? Exactly this number, ML 5741. ML means monthly low, so huge number. Okay, so it hit and it couldn't break it to the upside. Then came down all the way to this big number. Look at this big drop, 52.05, and then bounce. So this becomes a very big number, and this is where we bounce again. And I knew that it's gonna bounce, and we bounced. Where to go? No, actually we came down to this number, and then we went up to this. We actually broke this, came down this, we went up to this, and then this one and this one, right, is holding it. So if these numbers hold, we're going to drop again and maybe to this low next time. Okay, and this is how it is. All we have to do is just watch out that if it is breaking or going. If you start moving, like I said, that see the move started on the index. Let me show you. See, I start tracking this from here, but I waited that the move started to the downside and then start taking the shorts. Move start to go to the upside, and then you can take the longs. Okay, this is how it is. So this is it for now. Like I said, if you want to subscribe, go on my website and do it, and get ready for next week. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.